What's up, everybody? Got something exciting for you today. We're talking about 7 of the easiest skills you can learn and start making money fast in 2025. No complicated tech skills, no long training, just simple skills that pay. Let's jump in. First up, typing and transcription. Can you type fast? There are people willing to pay you to transcribe audio and video into text. Podcasts, interviews, meetings, all need transcription. Websites like Rev, Scribie, and GoTranscript are always looking for transcribers. You can do it from anywhere with a computer and internet connection. Next, social media management. Businesses need people to handle their social media, posting content, replying to comments, running ads. No fancy degree needed. If you know how to use Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you're ahead. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are full of opportunities. Get paid to scroll. Let's talk graphic design. Canva lets you create professional-looking graphics with simple drag-and-drop tools. People are making money selling Canva templates on Etsy, Creative Market, and their own websites. Create Instagram post templates, package them, and sell online. It's like printing money. Next, virtual assistants. Virtual assistants handle email management, scheduling, customer support, and social media. You can do this from your couch in your pajamas. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Indeed are filled with virtual assistant jobs. Selling printables and digital products. Create once, sell forever. Let's talk passive income. Selling digital products like planners, journals, worksheets, and coloring pages. These items are always in demand and can be customized to fit any niche or audience. Canva is your secret weapon for creating amazing printables. With its user-friendly interface and countless templates, you can design professional quality products in no time. Sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify store. These platforms make it easy to reach a global audience and manage your sales effortlessly. Create the product once, sell it over and over. The beauty of digital products is that they require no inventory and can be sold infinitely. Passive income at its finest. Watch your earnings grow while you focus on creating more amazing products or simply enjoy your free time. User testing and website feedback. Get paid to surf the web. It's an easy and fun way to earn extra cash. Get paid to share your opinion on websites and apps. Your feedback helps companies improve their user experience. Companies want to know how real people interact with their sites. They rely on your insights to make their platforms better. Sign up for platforms like User Testing, Playtest Cloud, or Try My UI. These platforms connect you with companies looking for feedback. Browse websites, complete tasks, and share your thoughts out loud. It's simple, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. AI-powered content creation. Let the robots do the work, sort of. AI tools make it easier to create high-quality content. ChatGPT can help write blog posts, Pictory can create videos, and Canva can do almost anything. Leverage these tools to create content people want to read, watch, and share. There you have it, 7 easy skills you can learn today and start making money in 2025. Imagine the possibilities when you master these skills. Which one are you most excited about? Is it coding, graphic design, or maybe digital marketing? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content.